I am going to explain to you guys that are watching my video why I'm long-term bullish on Fantom and why I do not think there's any issues with that. So let's take a look. Hey guys, it is Greg again. It's over there at CT, which is crypto Twitter, and they're over there crying about Fantom because Fantom's price is going down as of recently. But I see Fantom as an opportunity. So let's take a look. Does this look like a bearish coin to you? Maybe it is right now because it's correcting this cycle. And you take a look at this. These are nice waves that Fantom did. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you go into the RSI, I'm on the 3-day chart. You can see everything right here. 1, 2, third wave peak right there. Came down for a 4, 5. Everything looks good from this second to that fourth, and then up for that fifth. And that's where you had your divergence right there, guys. Boom, boom. You see, Q to get out. Everything looks really good with Fantom. So it did a nice 5-wave run or a 5-wave cycle. Now it's coming down to correct this. I was taking a look at this structure right here on a 3-day chart on a higher time frame. I just think what Fantom is doing is an expanded flat type move, guys. So this is the area that I'm actually looking for Fantom to go to. Right there, you see that 2.618, and this right here would be a nice little 5-wave move. Boom, boom, third wave, boom, boom, and then down right there at 15 cents is where Fantom is probably going to be going, in my opinion. So right in that area, okay? So a 3-wave move, 3-wave, 5 to finish up this correction. That's the area I'm going to be looking for Fantom, was right there. Bottom of that fourth, 16, 15, 16, 17 cents, possibly. I don't think the low is quite in yet. I mean, take a look at the RSI. Come down right here. You see that bottom peak on that RSI has completed that, has taken out that whole cycle right there. Take a look at it on the weekly. Hasn't taken it out on the weekly, so it might have a little bit more to go on that weekly. So that's what I'm thinking. It's going to take a little bit more out. Okay. Now, for the bearish point of view on this coin, would keep a little couple things in the back of your mind. You go with this coin because what's Fantom done? It's coming up to complete a sequence, looking good. It's already corrected 93%, and can it go down to 95%? Yes, I think it can for a coin like this because it does deep corrections. So this is the first area. Now, if things get not good with the cryptocurrency market, if it breaches this area, Fantom does, its next step is going to be down here, guys, in this area, starting at the 5 cents, and then maybe even one or its way down to 1 penny. That's right, guys, 1 penny. That's a possibility you want to keep in the back of your mind for Fantom. It can go down into these areas. I think that this, if it gets down here, you could have a really good opportunity of a lifetime if you think about it. I'm going to show you over here. That's why I have these arrows over here. Opportunity of a lifetime for Fantom down here, and even here too, in my opinion. So massive gains. So what's Fantom doing? It's a 1. You take a look at the whole big picture here. This is a wave 1. It'd be coming down for a 2, either here or down to here, and then up for a wave 3. Okay, and then a 4, 5. So that's what Fantom be going into. Where this is going to end, don't know for sure, but you want to make sure if you're getting Fantom down in these areas, which I think a lot of buyers are going to come into Fantom at 16, 17, 18 cents. They're going to scoop that up, in my opinion. But just in case it goes down here, remember that. Keep that in the back of your mind. Now, I do have some targets on Fantom. I think it's conservative. Now, here's something that's kind of interesting. You take a fib extension, what Fantom's going to do, more or less, if it corrects to say 15, 16 cents, okay, I take that off log and I put a target up here to the 1.618. You see that's right around $5.90 more or less. All right, I'm going to take it back off log. Now, if it goes all the way down, say to 1 penny, I take it off log again and check it. You see the target really hasn't moved. So that's going to be very, very critical if this happens with Fantom, guys. This is going to be very critical on how much money you're going to make if it wanders into this area. So to give you an example of why this would be important, I have these arrows over here, okay? So let's say it goes to 16, 17 cents, right? And you drop $1,000 in Fantom, okay, right here. And it goes back up to that target, you'll get 15,300. But if Fantom goes all the way down to a penny and you drop $1,000 in there and it reaches that target, you get 250K. Something to think about on how much a drop from here down to here will make in a bag. So keep that in the back of your mind and keep that. Do I think it's going to go down here? I don't think so at the moment. We're just going to have to wait for the markets, the financial markets, and what they're going to do. This is going to be the first step. Take a look at Fantom right here, and you have to always be aware too that it could surprise it. That could surprise us. That could be the low, and then it might just swing back down. Say Bitcoin comes up and Bitcoin swings back down, say to 20,000. It could maintain that low. We just don't know yet. Just got to keep these options. What is Fantom going to give us? Okay. So that's what I'm going to plan for. If it's here, you put half of it in. If it drops back here, something like that, just aware of it could go back down here. Now that's a massive drop for Fantom. This would be an opportunity. In my opinion, if it's all the way down here, that is called the opportunity of a lifetime. This would be like buying MicroStrategy at $4 after the .com crash and just throwing $1,000 or $2,000 into it and letting it ride out for the next 10 years. But this will happen much faster with Fantom, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.